Hey folks, in previous videos we've configured a private network with Besu with 3 nodes. In this video what we're going to do is build on this concept and enable private transactions by installing what's called Orion, a privacy package manager. So the first step to install Orion is to go to this website here, which is the documentation at pegasus.tech, where you can see there are prerequisites. We do need Java installed as well as libsodium. So let's double check that we can satisfy these requirements first. Let me go Java -- version. You can see I've got JDK installed. If you don't, you have to install this first. And let's go and install libsodium, which is a cryptography library. If you do have Homebrew on a Mac OS, you'll find that you can quickly install it by going brew install libsodium, like so. Once this is done, let's go and install the Orion package binaries by clicking on this link here. We're going to download the snapshot, a compressed file here. Let's save this. We'll then go ahead in my home directory and let me double click on this to extract it. Orion, there we go. And now back in the terminal, let's cd into the Orion snapshot, and then let's double check that we've got it installed correctly by going to bin Orion, go help. And there you have it. We've correctly installed it. We can also go version as well. Version 1.50 snapshot. So that's the first step to install Orion, the privacy manager.